Jana Katsuyama here now to explain. Jana?
Frank, the case involved a 2017 incident with Kenneth Humphrey. And today I spoke with the San Francisco public defender who spoke with him.
The California Supreme Court ruling was unanimous in favor of Kenneth Humphrey, a San Francisco man who had to stay in jail because he was too poor to pay the $350,000 bail set by a judge. The Supreme Court ruling stated, quote, "We find merit in Humphrey's claim. The common practice of conditioning freedom solely on whether an arrestee can afford bail is unconstitutional."
He was absolutely thrilled.
San Francisco public defender Mano Raju spoke with Humphrey Thursday and praised the court's decision.
The reality is no person should lose their right to liberty simply because that person can't afford to post bail. And that was affirmed today by the California Supreme Court.
Raju says the ruling will change the way judges statewide decide on bail amounts.
They have to make a real individualized consideration about whether that person can afford it.
The ruling also had support from bail agents, such as Dale Miller, a Santa Rosa attorney.
There was lots of times when families had to make a decision between bailing out the breadwinner or paying the rent.
But Miller notes the ruling could cause delays in the system.
There has to be an individual assessment of wealth or lack of ability to pay, and that will be a cumbersome process. And I think that might create a slowdown in the finding of an appropriate bail amount.
The Supreme Court noted that the median bail amount in California is $50,000, more than 5 times the median amount in the rest of the nation.
I like the scales always even for all people. So I think that people with less means definitely are at a disadvantage when it comes to bail.
Some say now basing bail on the ability to pay will help even the scales of justice.
When they're in custody, what happens is you end up with a lot of coerced pleas and people pleading guilty just to get out.
And this will not be the end of the debate over bail. There are 2 bills that are currently being considered by California lawmakers. Frank?
Jana Katsuyama live for us tonight. Jana, thank you.